Open up Twitter and go to your profile. Select the profile feature and scroll down to a tweet that you would like to share. Screenshot the tweet, then select the screenshot to crop it down to the actual tweet. Just like this. Perfect. Select the done button at the top left and then save your tweet to your camera roll. Now we're done with Twitter. Close it and open up Instagram. Once you're in Instagram, tap on the camera icon at the top left. Hi there. And then find a background for your tweet. Now toggle to your camera roll. Find the tweet. Select share and copy photo. And then toggle back to Instagram. Now you'll get an add sticker button. Select it to bring up your tweet. You want to center your tweet about the best you can, and now you can use Instagram's features to customize your story. And here we go. And that's it. Now you've added a tweet to your Instagram story.